In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create QR code scan UI Creative Figma Prototype. Open your design in Figma and start by creating a mobile frame. Set the background to a dark gray or black. This gives you strong contrast so the scanner overlay and text are easy to see. And it also helps the interactive elements feel focused and modern. Place a square right in the center of the frame. This square represents the active scanning window. To guide attention toward it, add a semi-transparent overlay around the outside. A simple way to do this is to cover the entire frame with a dark rectangle and then use the center square as a cutout, so the middle stays clear while the rest is dimmed. Keep the overlay dark enough to mute distractions, but not so dark that the edges of your interface disappear. Create a thin, glowing line to suggest the scanning beam. Give it a subtle line weight and a bright color that stands out against the background. You can enhance the glow with a soft shadow or blur effect, so it reads immediately as an active scanner element. Add your essential controls, a flash button for low light situations, a gallery import icon for scanning from images, and a short instruction label that says scan QR code here. Choose colors that are readable against the dark background and space these elements so they're easy to tap. Keep the instruction text concise and place it close to the scan area so users instantly know what to do. Go to the Action section, open Plugins, and search for QR Code Maker. Use it to generate a custom code. When the code is created, place it on your canvas and adjust its size to fit your layout. This is helpful for demonstrations and for testing your interactions visually. Duplicate your frames to set the order you'll use in the prototype. For example, you might keep one as the scanning state and another as the success state. Switch to the Prototype tab. Connect the Scan button to the Success screen using Smart Animate for a smooth, polished transition. This gives the feeling that elements are moving naturally from one state to the next. On the next frame, add a short delay so the transition doesn't feel abrupt. Then open Present to preview the flow. Check that the overlay directs focus. The glowing line reads clearly and the buttons respond as expected. That's it. Thanks for watching.